Alright guys, we're about to feel the spirit of the Old West as we hike along endless trails, take in the vistas of Grand Canyon National Park, and raft on the Colorado River. We're traveling with Adventures by Disney, and we're getting a culturally immersive, once-in-a-lifetime experience that proves all vacations are not created equal. We'll also check out the famous Red Rock Canyons of Moab, Utah, and the iconic landforms at Arches National Park on this spectacular trip.
So, on our way to Sedona, we've made several pit stops, and look how beautiful this freaking tree is.
It's got camo.
I know, it's like, I almost didn't see it as we walked up to it. We're at a national monument right now. Just took some photos, taking in the beauty that is all around us. Guys, this is amazing, but we're super close to Sedona. I think we only have like another 30 minutes, and then we're about to check into our fancy hotel.
So when it rains, the oil from this plant basically permeates the entire air and it smells wonderful. Like people come over and like, oh, I love the fresh smell of rain. But it's actually these plants which are everywhere. I feel like Steve Irwin right now. You can smell it if you cup your hands over the plant, breathe on it, and then smell it in. Ooh, that is a good smell. Oh my gosh, you have to smell that.
Really?
It's like a candle, yeah. I'm kind of getting like soaring over California smell.
Oh.
I know. Here, let me show you.
Oh my gosh, yeah, soaring over. Oh my gosh, it is soaring. I like that.
You into it?
Yeah, I do. Look at that.
Oh my gosh, it's like Minecraft. When they go into the hills.
This is my house right now in Minecraft.
This is your house? Yeah, this is like what you have. Actually makes me want to go back home and build it in Minecraft. Right?
I know, yeah.
Adventures by Disney has over 35 destinations and 6 continents with VIP access, group-guided travel with 2 adventure guides throughout the whole trip, and local experts along the way. The particular trip we're on right now is Adventures by Disney Adult Exclusive, meaning that everyone on the trip is over 18. Adventures by Disney is completely hassle-free.
We're now headed into our casita where we'll be staying for the next 2 days. Look at our hotel! It's so big!
Oh, cool! Look at you!
We have this Adventures by Disney. We have our own little packet filled probably with our itinerary and a bunch of cool stuff. Oh, what's this? Oh, hey, you can eat? Oh my gosh! They got hot sauces. Whoa! Wait, this is so cute. Are you kidding me right now? It's a duffel bag.
Oh.
But they've loaded it up with some candies and some Arizona Gunslinger pepper sauces. We get complimentary orange juice during the morning, which is like
favorite.
So good. But honestly, that is like my favorite part of any hotel because I'm like, ooh, comfy, giant bed, king size bed. I have a queen at home, so king is like, makes me feel like a king. But the best part of this hotel is the view.
Definitely.
Oh, show them the view.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Look at that.
Wow.
That looks like a screensaver.
That is
We're
amazing.
going to spend so much of our time out here on this boat.
Yes. Wow.
This is incredible, right?
This is absolutely incredible.
So we need to get ready now because we're about to head to a group dinner. You guys want to see the bathroom real quick? It would not be a complete hotel tour if we didn't show you the bathroom.
Oh my gosh. Yes.
Whoa.
There's a tub.
This giant tub.
This is amazing.
And they have a little place where you can sit in case you get tired from showering. Excuse me, sir. Sir, are you a little tuckered out? Are you a little tuckered out, sir?
Hey, didn't you see the privacy sign?
Quick outfit change just in time for dinner. Don't mind the absolutely stunning view right there.
Oh, thank you.
He's stunning.
The super cute button-up Mickey shirt from Box Lunch. And I just going with the all blue, but I got my Lion King fanny pack and my Up Wilderness Explorer watch. Just a little bit of Disney.
The best part about Adventures by Disney is being completely immersed in the culture. You're getting authentic experiences that you couldn't have gotten on your own. They do their research down to the T, and that's the Disney difference.
So it is day 2 and we are headed on a Pink Jeep tour to go get an awesome off-road tour
of Sedona. I'm really excited. I don't know what to expect, but the only thing I do know is John and I look super cute in our twinning outfits. Made it back and I'm a little bit sweaty, but that was amazing. Wasn't that beautiful?
Oh my gosh,
Like,
it was so cool.
Freaking blew my mind. There was a time where we got to like go out and explore and take some cool pictures, and that was super dope. But look at Bambi's behind me. She get down over here in the bushes. Actually, it's not bushes, it's just the sand. She's right there. We should go check out the spa and the pool. We should also do some mountain biking.
Oh, that would be so sick. Mountain
Right?
bikes.
Right? And then dinner, and then some stargazing.
Yes, stargazing.
This is our last day in Sedona. We've got to live it up.
Yes, we do.
All right, hands in. 3, 2, 1, freak!
Yeah. It's so weird. I'm gonna do it again.
What should we say?
Sedona.
Okay, yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Sedona.
I'm not gonna lie to you. I've never done mountain bike riding like this before. I thought there was a trail. There is, but this is just like our Jeep thing. This is Jeep thing round 2.
Oh boy.
All right, watch me go. I got this. I got it.
You okay?
I made it.
So cool.
Yeah, we were doing this.
I know.
Oh, this is awesome. Such a good workout. A couple fun facts about Sedona, Arizona. It is famous for the red rocks, color that comes from iron oxidization. It is a dark sky community, meaning there's a lot less light pollution, so that way you can see the stars shine as bright as ever. Today has been an amazing first day. The mountain biking was probably the highlight.
So much fun.
So much fun.
Oh my
But
god.
I'm sore and this jacuzzi is amazing. Sedona has been incredible and I don't think I ever would have gone here on my own. Tomorrow we have the Grand Canyon and I feel sad to be leaving this amazing place, but I'm so excited because that has been one of the biggest things on my bucket list to go and see. So yeah, I think we're gonna relax in the pool a little bit more. We have a nice dinner for later on and then a little bit of stargazing.
Yeah.
We're here at Arizona. I heard there are bears, wolves, mountain goats, bison, and we get to feed some otters. It's gonna be a good time. Let's go. Wait,
Yeah.
I think there's jaguars too.
Really? We must find out.
Let's go. We got some food to feed some animals, I think. A little snack for later. It smells kind of good. Oh man, this was having a bad hair day. I know that feeling. I've been there, buddy. It's okay. You'll pull through. There was one called Felicia.
Lisa.
I think he got it. I don't know. All right, John, it's your turn.
Let's do this.
3, 2, 1.
Oh!
Yeah.
There's a bunch of jaguars right there ready to feed. Should we try and get closer?
We definitely should.
Lovely. We made it! This is amazing! Look at behind me. It's so absolutely incredible. This is an unreal sight, and I can't believe that we're here. I think the rain is about to come in. We have like storm clouds all around us. So we're gonna get some quick pictures, some quick videos, and then get our passport stamp because we got a national parks passport, and with each park that we go to along this adventure, we're gonna get a sweet stamp. So let's get quick. Looks like a painting.
Couple fun facts about the Grand Canyon. 9 tribes in the Southwest have a connection to the Grand Canyon. The river is over 277 miles long. The Colorado River is what cuts the canyon deeper. We stayed on the south rim, which is about 7,000 feet, 1,000 feet lower than the north side. It's the second most visited park in the country. 1919 was when the park was made, so while we were there, they were celebrating 100 years. They just became the first dark sky national park, which means they have to abide by lighting regulations, just like in Sedona, Arizona.
John and I just took a bus into the Grand Canyon a bit more. We're heading to a general store because we have a picnic that we're about to have. We packed a little picnic basket. It's a Bugs Life themed. I'm so excited. We have an up blanket. Yeah, we're like, we should have a picnic at the Grand Canyon while we're here. We have some free time, so we're gonna do a little picnic, then maybe head out on a hike and catch the sunset. Whew.
Best part.
Best part.
Okay.
All right, time to check and see what we got. Oh man, we got some goodies. We got some cheese, crackers, some cupcakes, some raspberries, bananas, veggies, a little bit of wine, because, you know, it's time to treat ourselves.
Treat ourselves.
We treat ourselves. We just gotta wait for the bus.
Yep.
And then we're gonna head back, pack up our little picnic basket, see where the best view takes us,
Yeah,
right?
I'm so ready. Let's do this.
I know. We found the perfect picnic table. Grand Canyon view right there. We just like walked 5 minutes from our hotel room to this place to sit down and start up our picnic. Man, that view is gonna be great. Adventures by Disney, rocking the full Disney wear. All right, let's show you guys what's inside of it. Da 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 da! The big reveal! Woo! Amazing! We have our sandwiches in here. We have the cheese and crackers, blue juice to help keep us hydrated, raspberries, we got some carrots, celery, broccoli, snap peas, tomatoes,
And my favorite,
the cupcakes.
we've got cupcakes.
Yeah, and we got super cute plates too. Look at those.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Oh, also too, look at our little napkins. Is that not adorable? Together, even the smallest can achieve the greatest goal. I love it.
Don't forget we have little glasses.
Oh yeah, we have little glasses too. Oh my gosh, we are fancy. Fancy girls. Okay, so it's the last day. We're about to head out, but I didn't get to show you guys. It was cold outside, so I'm all bundled up. We didn't get to show you guys our hotel room. It's the Grand Canyon Lodge. That's like right on the rim of the Grand Canyon. We can walk outside and the Grand Canyon's right there.
So nice.
But look at how cool this is. Like a nice little rock wall. We have all of our luggage ready because we're heading out. There's a little coffee station. We have a little fridge in there. I think this is like a closet that we did not use. And a cabinet. And here's our bathroom. Cute, right? Cute and cozy. Swaggy. Okay, let's go to breakfast.
Yeah.
This concludes our first half of our Adventures by Disney. If you want to know more or possibly book your own Adventures by Disney trip, make sure you check out all the information in the description down below.